that opportunity. Everyone's what you get. Gotta keep your shoes laced up. Walk them miles a day. The clock's ticking, only have a few seconds left. Time's running out, ask yourself, where the hell do I go to next? That money, the fortune and fame, bitches are dollars you thinking you made. People look up to you, the ones that they fake. Fuck it, we all make mistakes. Finally see me running around, it's a brand new Jay. Speeding down the interstate, stay the fuck out of my way. If y'all don't want a problem today, y'all wanna see like the way that I do? Fuck it, I live it, this life is so true. Couldn't even mess with me, you got no recipe, my shit's living proof. Now they see me, I'm on my move. Certified, did my thing. Limelight, I live a dream. Trying to be all I can be. A whole nother level. I'm hotter than a devil. Like me shining like a vessel. Cause I'm finally.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is SkyLyfe Projects. Hope everybody's day is going good. It is almost the weekend. Recording this on a Thursday. And just wanted to do a video here about a little introduction about me and you know, how I started this YouTube adventure and everything like that. Well, my name's Jay. Nice to meet everybody. And I'm going to be 35 years old actually tomorrow. So yeah, 35 years of age. My current vehicle is a 2021 Type R, as most of you know. For everybody that's new to my channel, welcome. And please like, please subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be always alerted for future uploads like this. Alright, well, my background starting YouTube actually goes back to 2015. Actually it was 2015 to 2018 is when my music videos and everything, you know, started going on that channel. So I used to be an artist, a local AZ artist. I went by Jay Sky. My brand name was SkyLyfe Entertainment. It was my movement, you know, it was where my fan base was established, everything like that. I had a total of 3 albums, 1 EP, and 2 albums. So yeah, there's that. Did a whole bunch of, you know, concerts, like probably over at least over 200 shows easily. And I did a couple out-of-state shows as well, from California, Texas, and Florida. Yeah, so those were good times. As you know, times change. I got married now. I have 2 children, 2 beautiful children, a son and a daughter. My son is 4 years old and my daughter is almost 3. So she'll be 3 July 4th, which is Independence Day, baby. I'm sorry, not July 4th. I don't know why I said that. July 3rd. She was supposed to be born July 4th, but she was actually born on July 3rd. So, yeah. What else? I have a current job, and I work for United Healthcare. I'm a provider's advocate. I've been there for almost 10 years. 10 years, it'll be September 6th. So September 6, 2011, I've been working with United Healthcare. I love it. I work from home, you know, I get a lot of freedom with that. But I'm really looking to expand more options, like flipping houses, you know, obviously maybe YouTube. Hopefully that'll come into play. Investment opportunities with stocks and whatnot. Doing all that as a side hustle. So with all that being said, I really am into cars. I love everything about cars, projects, especially modifications, you know. Sorry about the background noise out there, it's traffic. Try to come into the most secluded area where it's all nice and quiet and everything. But sometimes, you know, you can't control what the environment does, especially with the clientele. Yeah, I don't want to make this a boring video, guys, but I've always been into cars. I've always modified, loved everything about cars, loved working on them, loved styling them, loved being unique, having that unique context to my vehicle is very important to me. I've had from Evos to STIs to an SRT4 to a Mazda Speed 3 to a Toyota Corolla S, which was my first car, 2003 Toyota Corolla S. I've had a couple BMWs, an M550i and a 340i M Sport XI drive. I've also, had a C43 AMG. I've had a MK7 Golf R. It was tuned, stage 2 Cobb. Yeah, I mean, I've been in the cars for some time now. Probably had about 13 vehicles, including this one. So, started driving at age, was it 15 and a half, I believe, when I got my permit. And then my first car was at 16. So, yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot to love about me, and I've done some bad things in life too, and that's just like the growing pains of it all. Like, everything happens for a reason, right? We end up where we're supposed to end up, and I appreciate everybody that's tuning into my channel. Hopefully I can get a lot more subscribers here, and my channel can continue to grow. And then on this channel, I will be doing like giveaways, cash giveaways and stuff. When I get to that level, I will do raffles, obviously depending on where my YouTube career goes. I'm going to give back to you guys. So that's what I'm planning on doing. And I can't wait for this venture to really unfold. Right now, we're just starting. I'm just growing. I know I'm getting like maybe 1 to 2 subscribers probably every 2 days or so. So I'm trying to up the ante a little bit on that and, see where this goes. But I really hope you guys enjoy this project. Tomorrow, I do have the HKS Liga Max exhaust being installed. I also have the Mishimoto oil catch can that you guys saw in previous videos. On top of that, I have the PTP inlet pipe blanket that I'm going to be putting on. And then I am also rerouting the side markers to have a full switch path effect, not just the white. It's actually going to be white to amber, amber to white. So I think that's going to be pretty cool, especially for the turn signal. So yeah, I'm doing all that tomorrow, and obviously I will post another video with the sound of the HKS Liga Max exhaust. I will show the oil catch can, the PTP inlet pipe blankets, etc. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a wild ride, you guys. This project is going to be super fun. I really hope you like my unique build that I'm doing. Also, PRL HVI, the high volume intake, PRL high volume intake is coming up here soon too. I am ordering that tomorrow, so that should be here momentarily. Do another video for that. Blowout valve sounds from the stock diverter valve and whatnot. Yeah, so with all that being said, hope everybody again is having a great day. You guys are staying blessed, and if you have any questions, please mention it in the comments. You can ask me. I'm always checking my comments daily and seeing what you guys have to say. So let's have a discussion. I love you all. Much love and blessings. Jay Sky. This is SkyLyfe Projects. We out.
Rise up, people rise up. Gotta get in the bowling, fuck bowling. Come nice with the flow, all night sparking the glow. Tell them how we feel, this shit's so real. Everyone need to chill and just fly away until we die. 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 World is on my shoulder.